Hey friends, let's learn how to play Never Say Goodbye on guitar by Bon Jovi. So for our intro, the rhythm guitar is just playing the A. Then we come up to a C sharp minor 7, hold for a bar, and then a D for a bar, and then a D minor for a bar. And that's the rhythm guitar, so let's play that. Now let's have a look at the lead there. So we're going to start on the second fret on the D, go to fourth on the G, then do a bend on 4 on the G, then do that again, 2 on the D, 4 on the G, 4 bend on the G, and then B, 3, 2, back to G, 4, 2, do that again, 3, 2, G, 4, 2, and 2 on the D. Then we have the harmony, we have 14 on the D, play 16 G, bend 16 G, do that again, 14, 16, bend 16, then B, 15, 14, G, 16, 14, back to the B, 15, 14, G, 16, 14, and slide back to 9. Now let's have a look at the verse. So we go to a clean guitar, just play A, hold for a bar, 3, 4, our C sharp minor 7, and then we're just going to play the 5 and the 4, 4 on the G, 5 on the B, and then the 6 on the D, and then play 5 on D, 7 on G, play it again and slide back, do a D, and then we're going to have 2, hammer onto 3 on the B, and back to G 2 times, second fret. Then we hold that 2, then we do the C sharp minor 7 again. This time play 7 on the B, 4 on the G, back to our 5 and 7 D and G, slide back, D chord. Now this time I'm going to play 2G, 2B, 2G, 3B, 2G and open E. So let me do that clean part for the verse for you. Then we have the heavy guitar there. So we play the A, then we're going to arpeggio pick D, G, B, G, D, back to the B on the second fret. Then go 2, slide up to 4 on the D. Play 6G, 4D, 6G, 7G, open E. And then we have 2, slide to 4 on the A. Play 6 on the D, 4 on the G, 5 on the B. And do that again, 4, 6, 4. Then we're going to play this G, 5 on the D, 4 on the G, 3 on the B. And then we're coming back here, 4 on the D, 2 on the G, 3 on the B. And then just play 2, 3, 2, so G, B, G. And then we do that again, 5, 4, 3. And then 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. And that's the heavy guitar in the verse, let's play that. From there we have our chorus, and the chords are the same as the intro. Our A, hold for a bar, C sharp minor 7, hold for a bar, D, times, and the third time through we just go back to that intro lead again. So we just play that again. Now the keyboard's doing the higher harmony that we did. So if you want to play that, you can right through the solo there. So let's just do that quickly. And then repeat that again with the solo. Now then for our next verse, we're going to play open A, 2nd fret D, 4th fret G, back to 2nd fret on the D, and do that 2 times. Then come up to our C sharp minor, again minor 7, strum the A, D, G, and then just play B, G, D, A, and then back to B, G, D. And then we're going to go to our G chord. We're going to play 5, D, 4 on the G, 3 on the B, and then open E, 3, 4, do it again. And now we play open D, open E, 3rd fret on the B, open E, 2nd fret on the G, open E, 3rd fret on the B, open E. Then we go back to the A again, but now we're picking A, G, E, G, and do that again. Go to our C sharp minor 7, now we're picking A, D, B, G, and do that again. Go to our G, but we'll let the open E, so 5, 4, open, back to 3, and do that again. Then just go to a D chord, open D string, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, and do that again. And it's our clean guitar there, so let me play that for you. Then we have our heavy guitar. So just play the A power chord again. Come up to 4 and 6, so our C sharp minor. And then pick 4, 5, 4 and do that again. Come back to our G, 5, 4, 3, and then our 4, 2, 3. And this time 3, 2, and do that again. 5, 4, 3, and our 4, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 4 there. That's the heavy part, let's play that. And from there we just go back to the chorus and we do that exactly the same. And then we have the solo rhythm, we'll look at the solo at the end. We just play our A, our C sharp minor 7, our D, and then just slide up to the 3rd fret on the A string, and the 5th fret, A string, and then repeat A again, C sharp minor 7, our D, and then just play C and D. Now we have this little section before the last chorus. So we have our A, our C sharp minor 7, and then we just do our 1 on the G. 5, 4, 3, come back to our 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Do it again, 5, 4, 3, and 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. That gets us ready for the last chorus. just repeat the chorus 4 times there at the end, and we just end on the A, and we just play that high harmony of the solo right through there. Now let's have a look at the main solo. So we're going to start on the 4 on the A, play it, push the bar in and let it come out. 2nd fret D, same thing. 2nd fret on the G, same again. 4th fret on the G. Then slide up to 7, play 6, do a pitched harmonic on the 4 with a bend and release. 7 on the D, and then we do a bend on the 5 on the B. Release it. Then we're going to do a bend on 9, so we're going to do bend and release 9 on E, and then just play 10B. Then we're going to slide up to the 3rd fret on the A, do a pinched harmonic in the 3rd fret on the D, and then 5, slide up to 7D, and then back to A, 5, D, 5, 7, and we're going to slide up to 9. And when we slide up, we're just pushing our bar in as well. So, and then we go back to similar to the intro, 16 on the A, bar, 14 on the D, bar, 14 on the G, 12 on the B, and then stay on B, 15, 14, back to G, 16, bend and release, 14, then do a bend on 17 on the B and release. Let it come down, and then we're going to do a bend on 21 on the E, 2 bends and releases there, and come back to 17 on the E. Then we have this little tapping bit to finish. We're just going to do a trill between 13 and 15, so hammer on and pull off, 13, 15, 13, 15, 13, tap on 17 on the E, then jump to the B string, 15, 13, 15, 13, tap on 18, on the B, pull off to 13, hammer on to 15, jump back to the E string, 13, 15, 13, 15, 13, tap on 17, then we're going to move up 15, hammer on to 17, pull off to 15, 17, 15, 17, 15, then B string, 18, 15, 18, 15, 18, 15, and then just play 17 there. Play 17 to finish there.